as per the RI application which
Okay, let them reply. That officer reply. Who am I to reply? It's not with me. I think
What
officer
he
know
has-
properly how he feel, how he walks. Nobody will make payment without work only.
But he has demanded a CBI proof. on
No,
this.
that is let the department do it. Who is he? I know. Oh, that one the government boy. Is the one
Yes,
who you saw.
yeah, yes.
No, I will not bother all this.
Okay.
Who will defame him? You see. But that let department do. Right or wrong, I don't know. It's not with me. It's the official procedure. If somebody asks RTI, they have the right to reply to him, no problem. If he finds faults, he may go further. There is no issue on that. But according no, there is not such irregularities.
There's no such.
No. And the project is still under construction too. You see, point number one, when the project is still under progress, no need of filing RTI also. That is always. When the project is still undergoing, after completion of the project, then they may check RTI, okay, the work is completed, the amount has been paid, what are the item of work? That is, they have the right. Now to come sometime.
He's meant calculation of the project. Since what the amount was sanctioned is around 25.73 crore, but now the project is around 35.21 crore.
No, that's all they will give him me also no knowledge on that because the construction work, the official who meeting on this. Let's see if any writing come to me, so I may call my officer, but no, nothing official complaint to me.
But there are allegations. Colin swear he's the father of
You
our
see,
spouse
I'm
and
telling
affair.
you, in business, whether the father, the mother, the wife, you cannot deny the legal right of the person. Listen, man, you can work, your wife can work, your son can work. It's your legal right.
Correct.
Simple. All this nonsense thing also. Suppose ma.
Place in April 2020. The work started in September, but now still.
Now there is some problem with the seller. They are yet to discuss with the locality to see the people so that they can go ahead with the next phase. Something like that.
Any tentative one is there? Deadline to complete this.
No, deadline is there is a time of completion. This record is not with me, but it's slightly delay is not because of contractor. The reason was that it take time for the present market, all the groceries and all the present they have to shift to the new building and they can go with the next phase. That is only part left. And it seems now they are already settled with the MLA, local MLA. That is only part. There is no. The project is okay.
Almost.
And the project is okay. Okay, maybe there is some escalation, but according to me, I don't know. So if there is things, so no problem. You have the right to act and let the officer come.